My teachers supported me in my journey academically, mentally. They used to help me when I was not emotionally stable. Myself, Bhumika Shekhawat. My father's name is Mr. Krishan Singh Shekhawat. He is a serviceman. He works in a textile factory, and my mother is a special educator. In 6th standard, I was sure that I wanted to take biology, and in 8th, I knew that I wanted to become a doctor. I have heard from my friends and my relatives that Aakash have good faculties, and also they have a very good test series, and their results are also outstanding in NEET. So I have opted Aakash for preparing for NEET. I have heard about NCERT. It is a scholarship exam, and so I have also given that NCERT exam and I have gained scholarship from that. Of course, scholarship inspired me to write NCERT. First of all, I used to study all subjects and gave all equal time to every subject, and I prepared from modules from NCERT. First of all, I studied the notes thoroughly given by my faculties, and also I asked doubts from them timely so that I don't gain backlog and anything else. After taking classes from Aakash, I used to take enough rest, and then I used to self-study a lot, and which helped me in scoring good marks in NEET. NCERT play a very important role in NEET exam, especially biology NCERT. In NEET, many questions are directly asked from NCERT. Many theory questions in physics and chemistry as well are asked directly from NCERT. So we need to read NCERT thoroughly, at least 5 to 6 times. The last few months are very crucial. We need to summarize what all we have learned in 2 years, and we have to prepare very well for NEET as it have been approaching in last months. So it is very crucial. We need to stay calm, and we need not panic, and we have to stay emotionally strong. Aakash test series have helped me a lot, especially intensive and FTS test series, also AITS test series. I used to focus on my mistakes. I used to learn from my mistakes. I used to talk to my faculties that what I can do, and I used to learn the topics which I have made mistake, and I used to of course note my errors. My experience was very good at Aakash. I have not only learned things academically, but also I have learned how to deal with my problems, how to focus, and how to learn such an immense and vast syllabus. Till 10th I have learned only small syllabus, but in Aakash I have learned so many things, and I have gained a very good experience. Aakash have helped me a lot. First of all, their faculties, they have taught me the right thing appropriately, and then their modules, their packages, study package, and not only they have study packages but various other books as well, which help me having short notes that that we can revise before tests, like NCERT maps, MCAPs, and Know Your NCERT. And also we are provided with packages for preparing for our boards. And the test series of Aakash is very good, and it helped me a lot. My teachers supported me in my journey academically, mentally. They used to help me when I was not emotionally stable. When I got low scores, my teacher motivated me, and they taught me how to prepare, and of course my faculties have helped me a lot. First of all, you must work hard and you must be consistent. You must work every day. You must study every day. And then you must not miss a single test. You have to attempt every test. You have to solve your modules and packages, and you have to stay calm, and when you score low, you have to go on and you have to work for the notes. You should revise your notes thoroughly, and you should first of all learn from your mistakes. It is the most important thing. You should, if you can, you should note your errors, and you can also make short notes which you can revise so that they help a lot. And whenever you are feeling low or you are not getting anything, you must ask to your faculties. They will guide for you sure. You must not get distracted while studying from mobile or TV. You must work hard for 2 years, and then you will achieve success. All the best.